this, we can do this, we can do this, we can do this. Quinn, sit in your chair, Quinn, sit in your chair. Hello everybody, welcome to Salty Toy Time. And today we are going to show you the fun comedy Ghostbuster guys. And here is Peter. And here is Slimer. Here is Egon. Here is Peter.
Peter? No, Peter.
Here's the Keymaster. Here is Winston. Who do you call? Ghostbusters! Here is Egon.
Egon.
Egon. Even Quinn can say it. Who do you call? Ghostbusters! And here's Ray. He's cool because he has this little, he has his camera eyes thing on.
No.
He has his binoculars on. Oh, yes. That's what I meant to say. This is a special guy, Peter, because he has marshmallows on him from the Marshmallow Man. Who do you call? Ghostbusters! And here is Ray. Let's get some Ghostbuster fighting. Who do you call? Ghostbusters! And here's Winston. Who do you call? Ghostbusters. And here is Egon and the Marshmallow Man. We got two Rays. We got two Winstons. We got two Egons. We got two Peters. And we got two Marshmallow guys. And we got the Keymaster, and we got Slimer. Who are you gonna call? Ghostbusters! Thank you everybody for watching Salty Toy Time. Hope you enjoyed my video. Goodbye. Who are we gonna call? Ghostbusters.